want to write something, but you don't know what to do or how to start. Sometimes it's because your mom and dad has put some paper in front of you and said, "Here, let's write a story." And now you're looking at this and you're thinking, what? Like, write what? About what? And you don't have to worry about this because it happens to everyone. Everyone, all of us, if you're new to writing or if you've been writing for many years, sometimes look at a blank page and have no idea what to do. So here is a simple and easy way to find something to write about to get your imagination going. We are going to learn to use what are called writing prompts. Now, a prompt is just a fancy word to say get someone or cause someone to do something. So if your parents ask you to go and brush your teeth or make your bed, they are prompting you. So a writing prompt is a short way of saying, here is something to help you think about things and give you ideas on what you can write about. Now, there are two ways that we can do this. One, you can ask someone to find you some writing prompts, and two, when you start getting better, you can make them up for yourself. But for now, we're going to take the easy way. We're going to ask someone to find us some of these writing prompts. Now, a writing prompt is just a question or a scene or a situation. It's like saying something is happening, and if something is happening, what might happen next? And they are all over the internet. Simply type in writing prompts for kids or writing prompts for 7-year-olds and you will have thousands of ideas to choose from. Here are a couple of examples. You could start out really simply and ask something like, if you could be any animal, what would you be and why? Or, what is your favorite sport and why? You can make this as simple or as not as simple as you like. For example, imagine a giant box is delivered to your front door with your name on it. What's inside and what happens when you open it? Maybe if I answered that one, I would say something like this. I opened the door to find a large yet plain cardboard box. There was nothing on it. No tape, no markings, no colors. Just a normal brown cardboard box. But big, pretty big. In fact, it came up to my knees. I poked it with a finger, but nothing happened. I looked around one side and then the other. Nothing. Hesitant, I walked around the box. There, on a small white sticker on the back of the box, was my name. I looked around, watched the street, checked the windows of the houses behind me. Nothing stirred. I scanned the bushes. If this was a joke, then whomever was playing it didn't want to be seen. I looked back at the box, read my name again, and then, because I am that sort of person and I can't help myself, I reached for the top of the box and in one quick motion, I ripped off the lid. A burst of cool white light shone from the box, turning wispy grey in the air before dispersing into the cold morning air in bursts of blue and orange and purple and indigo. And then everything was silent. Silent. Not a sound. No light. I looked around again. No one was moving. And then I chanced to look over the rim of the box, and there, nestled in a bed of torn up newspaper, was what I've always wanted. You see how cool this can get? And you don't have to do a lot on it either. Just one paragraph, maybe 3 or even 4 sentences, and decide from there if it could do with more. It probably can, and if you're anything like me, you'll find yourself writing more and more and getting deeper and deeper into what happened when you opened the box, or about your favorite sport, or why you would want to be a 3-legged purple giraffe with a party hat. if you want it to be. So I have, in the description below, left you a link to a website with 300 writing prompts that you can use. Have a look through it, pick something, and above all else, just have fun. There are no right or wrong answers here. You are free to let your imagination do whatever it wants. It's almost like having an excuse to daydream.